Challenges continue to be infrastructure. Ultimately, the ability to invest in the continent is a function of having the right products and services and core infrastructure around the opportunities. And so as we see more development of infrastructure, which is a long-term investment for local governments, private equity will follow. But as we stand right now in 2012, still one of our biggest challenges. Very good question. I think that's a function of the size of the private equity fund manager. There's a recent survey done on East African private equity which showed about 20%, 30% or rather of the transactions that were done in 2011 happened in East Africa, but the average transaction size was approximately $5 million. And so as a fund manager, if you're an Actis or a Braid or a large cap fund manager, East Africa remains a challenge because of the transaction size. For a mid-cap investor, East Africa is definitely one of the more attractive opportunities going forward in 2012. Access to capital. Quite frankly, as a fund manager, our number one challenge is human capital internally, but more importantly, you can only be a fund manager if you have assets under management. So the ability to network and link with potential investors and tell the story is our primary objective this evening.